everybody out there, and thank you for tuning in on another episode of Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. It's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and I am out here at 6601 Kaufman Road, right off of Guyan Road, out here to get some coverage on the infamous Frank Martin, and I'm super excited. I am here with Frank Sr., actually, here to support his son for the boxing. I know I ended up meeting Ike yesterday by chance over at Yaps down on College, so that was like super dope. But you're the dad of Frank. I know you must be super proud. Yeah. So he's been doing this for a while. Is it something that he's been doing since he was a little boy?
Like 5 years.
5 years. So is this the only place in Indy that he's been? Has he just been in Indy, or is he traveling with it? And
Traveling.
yeah. Okay. Nice. So we're gonna go ahead and head in shortly and see what he does in the ring. Tell everybody out there, what does he have coming up?
Oh, we got another fight coming up in November, and that's in Fort Wayne, Indiana.
Which is originally where you guys are from, right? I think I heard, yeah. Nice. Shout out to Fort Wayne.
Yep, so come out and support. You're gonna enjoy the show.
This episode is sponsored by Monkey Joe's. Party big and play great.
Hey everybody, thank you for tuning back in. As I said, I'm here to check out the one and only amazing boxer, Frank Martin. And I had the opportunity to catch up with his mom, Erica, and his aunt, who invited me out to this special event, Tasha. We're going to go ahead and get a few words with these beauties right here. Y'all doing all right? Stay ready. I know you must be super excited. Your son is amazing. I've heard very good things about him. It must be super dope to be able to come out to these events. I know he's been traveling and touring the globe with his boxing and everything. Tell us how that feels. Scary, and I know you said you're kind of scary and exciting to have your son Frank Martin out here boxing. But it must be very honorable you did something right. So we have a young black man out here. He's doing very well in his boxing. And I know he's getting ready to be in the ring in a little bit. Got you some nervous? Yeah. So is this your first time being in one of his boxing matches, or?
Like pretty much all of them.
Yeah.
That I come up.
So big supporter in that, and I know that must be very special to have his mom alongside him. And I know briefly I caught up with his father out in the parking lot, so you guys will be able to see that. We have his beautiful auntie who actually invited me out here, so I'm super excited to come out and snag some coverage. This is Tasha, and you are a hairstylist of Indy, so it's just surrounded by flowers right now. Go ahead and tell me, how does it feel to be the aunt of, an amazing boxer here in Indy? So with everything going on with the boxing, I know he has some tours coming up where he's going to be boxing. Are you going to be able to make it out to those boxing matches, Auntie?
Because I'm a traveler. Boots are made for walking.
Nice and very nice. Yes, get a shot of those boots, babe.
Yeah, but like I was saying, I am proud that these men are so many amazing men in my family doing their thing.
Yes, because there's a few of them. Actually, we have Jalen and Roderick. Jalen just got signed with Dallas Cowboys, so shouts out to him, super dope. And then who else we got? Roderick with the Giants, so shout out to him. Oh, we got family in the house. Hey, it's always nice in a family moment. Who's fighting to you? That's your cousin? You excited? Nice. All right, guys, well, we're going to go ahead and take a quick commercial break. When we come back, we will have the one and only
Frank Martin. Check out some of these moves that put Frank right where he's supposed to be in the boxing ring. Undefeated. Are you a local artist here in the city of Indianapolis looking to have your chance and opportunity to be discovered or have your music or music video seen and heard? Get on over to soundsofshar'e32@gmail.com and drop me an email of your hottest video, links, and websites where I can check out some of your latest moves and music. Are you a dancer or a local entertainer here in the city of Indianapolis? Make sure you get on over to Facebook and join my page, Sounds of Shar'e, or get on over to New View TV and like and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for your chance to find out how you can perform live on my show, only on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut with your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and only on New View TV. Do you have a show topic or an idea that you would like to see me cover? Or would you like to be a part of the show with your show idea or topic? Reach out to me at soundsofshar'e32@gmail.com.